Welcome to our Instant Serviced Offices Property Investment presentation. We believe that you will be pleasantly surprised at the outcome and the type of yields that can be achieved without risk. Let's have a look at a traditional office layout. In an office block, you will typically find empty shell areas as shown on this slide. All of these areas need to be populated with personnel and infrastructure. Let's have a look at typical examples. First off, every company needs a friendly receptionist. What is a company without a friendly face at the reception? Every company employs a receptionist that requires a reception and related infrastructure. Secondly, every company wants to have a boardroom where important meetings and presentations can be held. In order to enable this, a company needs to purchase boardroom furniture as well as data projectors, flip charts, whiteboards, etc. This results in huge costs and overheads for a facility that is not necessarily income producing and in most instances are only utilized 5% of any given month. This is a huge expense for a facility that is not 100% occupied. Every company needs to have a kitchen or kitchenette where coffee or tea can be prepared and where employees can heat their afternoon snack in the microwave. Every company needs a copier, fax and printing facility. All of this results in redundancy of infrastructure and implies huge startup and operating costs for each and every business. Now let's have a look at what is happening in the world of offices. The new trend is that business people and employees have their office in their pockets. Smartphones, tablet PCs, notebooks, etc. have revolutionized the way we work. Employees and business people are fully mobile and can basically work in a virtual environment. Employees want to live closer to their workplace. The main reason for this is increasing fuel prices globally and the introduction of toll fees. This is extremely relevant in the Gautrain area where the toll roads are being implemented. Employees are demanding increased wages for the expenses that they are incurring, which many companies cannot concur with. 3G networks have enabled a virtual environment where business people and employees can work from anywhere. Businesses want to cut expenses and are therefore looking for smaller office spaces to operate from. All of the above combines in a new trend where virtual office capability is required with a physical location. Our instant serviced offering is fully compliant with the new trends in office space where virtual office capability with a physical location is required. We still have our friendly receptionist, but her function has been centralized where she will receive clients at reception and where she will answer calls in the business owner's or tenant's name. Boardrooms are centralized where business owners or tenants can have access to the boardrooms. We have allowed for breakaway rooms, meeting rooms and boardrooms. Kitchens and kitchenettes have been minimized in order to avoid redundancy. Copiers, printers, faxes, etc. will be centralized in a high-tech admin facility. Printing can be done from anywhere. You can now print from your cell phone, from your home or anywhere. As an example, the document to be printed will be routed to a queue on the printer. The document will, however, only be printed once you have typed in your password on the printer. This is to ensure that your documents stay confidential. All of the above is fully managed by a property manager, which enables you to spend more time focusing on your business. Employment and infrastructure hassles are hereby eliminated. Our instant offices offering is simpler, better, faster, cheaper, and fully serviced with an instant infrastructure. The business owner or tenant does not receive an empty shell where all infrastructure is to be implemented and where they have to take responsibility for infrastructure and services. If the costs of a traditional office is compared to the costs of the instant office offering, you will notice a remarkable difference. A professional receptionist will be provided at only 650 Rand per month compared to a similar profile receptionist at 14,000 Rand per month. Once-off costs are eliminated with the instant office offering. The monthly operational costs show a remarkable difference. Which one will you choose? It's an absolute no-brainer. A total cost breakdown is found on this slide comparing traditional office costs compared to the remarkable cost savings of the instant serviced offices offering. The bottom line is, however, the most important, where up to an 88% saving can be achieved on operational costs and 100% savings can be achieved on once-off costs. A full breakdown of these costs can be found on our website. Comparing the total cost to company shows remarkable bottom-line savings. These cost comparisons exclude once-off costs associated with traditional office setup. It is clear that this is a no-brainer. Put yourselves in the shoes of a business owner. Which one will you choose? This provides an annual net yield of 12.72%. The graph illustrates the 12.72% as the initial yield, whereafter the yield increases over time. Comparing the instant offices to residential property, it is clear that the instant offices will outperform the residential property over time. This is also emphasized by the location of the instant office's property in Centurion. Excess cash is generated from day one. We have increased the interest rates from bond repayments to 12% in year 3, since this is the average interest rate over the past 20 years. If you reinvest the cash generated into your bond, then it will be possible to repay your bond in approximately 10 years' time or less. You will then have an appreciating asset with appreciating passive income. The property is located at a prime location in Centurion between Johannesburg and Pretoria, which is the commercial hub of South Africa. The location of the offices is at an excellent location. The saying location, location, location is especially true with this offering. The instant office is located 400 meters away from Supersport Park in Centurion and a mere 900 meters away from the new Gautrain station that will be operational by the end of June 2011. This is walking distance away, but is also on the new bus route for the Gautrain. Should the bus route change, then a shuttle service will be implemented between the instant offices and the Gautrain station, where a tenant can SMS the receptionist when on the train, and the shuttle service will pick up the tenant on arrival. Easy access to the Ben Schoeman and N1, N4 to Witbank, N14 and R21, or Tambo International, Lanseria, Grand Central and Vonodboom airports are within 30 minutes from the instant offices. Centurion Country Club is 5 minutes away, and Swartkorps Country Club a mere 10 minutes away. The instant offices are within walking distance to the Centurion Lake Hotel, Centurion Mall, Gautrain Station, Supersport Park Cricket Grounds, Macro, and most vehicle service centers. A-grade offices will provide an instant corporate identity for owners and investors. The property will be fully managed by a property manager. The property manager will be responsible to manage the day-to-day operations of the property. The benefits are self-explanatory where the property is fully managed. No further involvement from the investor or business owner is required. Employment and infrastructure hassles are minimized as explained during the presentation where these services are provided. This is a unique offering which is exciting and no effort from the investor or business owner. It is a totally secure investment in property where cash flows and capital growth increase annually. Finance is available from a recognized banking institution. As an investor or business owner, you buy below value, which makes this a no-risk and a no-brainer investment. Capital is doubled in a 5 to 6 year period. This is a limited unique offer where only 64 units are available in total. By visiting our website, the remaining number of units will be displayed. As a guarantee, we have implemented rent assist insurance for your benefit. The question now is, what are the next steps? This is an easy 1, 2, 3 process. 1. Choose a unit on the website www.centurioninstantoffices.co.za. 2. Sign the offer to purchase the agreement. And 3. Arrange finance through your bank or contact us through your agent to arrange the finance for you. No further involvement from you is required since the concept is fully managed as explained during the course of this presentation. Queries can be directed through your agent or directly to sales@centurioninstantoffices.co.za, or you can call us on 012 364 2555.